Yung kay
Yeah.
Piro. Ayan.
Hello,
Hello.
everyone. Yes, good evening, everyone. Ray Santos here. And nawala si Sir Harmon. um, uh,
Sir Harman, at nawala ka.
si Sir Harmon. Anyway, mga minamahal naming mga viewers sa Ray Santos Music Studio, napakaganda po ng ating pag-uusapan today or this evening, no po? Kasi meron po tayong bagong ino-offer na course which is the elocution, no?
Beach.
Or tinatawag nating speech power for theatrical performance. Yan. Sorry ako I have to admit na talagang medyo hindi ako familiar do sa topic, no. Pero napakaganda nitong ating gabi sapagkat pinaunlakan tayo nitong ating special guest. Yan. Okay. So walang iba kundi si Ma'am Desiree. Ma'am Desiree from
Hello.
CSA. Yan, Ma'am Desiree Galliano from CSA.
Hello.
Hello po, ma'am. So
Good evening po.
yes. Kami po ay napakaswerte because kasama namin kayo and you will explain this new course ng Ray Santos Music Studio, no?
Yes. It's
Yeah.
just very simple.
Yeah.
Kami.
Alam niyo po no,
Mali.
naalala ko nung go ahead po. Go ahead po.
Sige po, sige. Okay na po, sir.
Yeah, naalala ko po the first time na nabanggit nito ni Ma'am Camille, no? Ma'am Camille is one
Yes.
of our teachers sa Ray Santos Music Studio and sabi ko sige try natin. Yun nga lang talagang hindi ako gaanong familiar doon sa topic or doon sa course. But anyway, you're here. Oh, yeah. Sir Harmon, hello.
Ayan, si Sir Harman nandiyan na.
Yeah, kaso parang naglalag talaga si Sir.
Ay, matatamaan yung line.
Yeah, oo. Anyway, so yes, ma'am, can you explain it more? Ano po ba itong tinatawag na speech power? At paano po ito makakatulong
Kasi,
sa ating mga student?
okay, from the term speech power itself, talagang concentrated siya on enhancement and development of the kids' way of speaking. So it's really very essential para po sa growing child. Yung exposure nila is going to be better as they grow older. Okay, so the school, of course, they have English classes. They also have, like, pero hindi kasi lahat ng school may speech, may speech subject. It's all integrated within the subject English. But this one, since it is a speech power in connection with your music studio, Sir Ray, that's quite a big difference kasi nagkakaroon ng significance yung speech together with the performances of the kids, especially if they are inclined to singing or theatrical performances. Eh, hindi pwedeng maalis. Okay, we cannot deviate from the importance of speech, especially po sa singing. And number one, when a kid is singing or interpreting a song, the most important thing is to hear the words of the song and also the expression of the child in interpreting the song that he or she is singing, isn't it? So it's very, very important that what sa speech power po natin in connection with theatrical arts, it's very important na ang very, very number one number one that we will tackle along the way would be that the child will be able to speak well, develop the very spontaneous verbal expression, verbal and non-verbal. So sometimes singing, aside from the song na in-interpret, there are times when the person just have to express his or her feelings through facial expressions. So this will all be tackled in the speech power thing. So at saka po, ang number one po, pag nagawa po natin yan and the child is exposed to this kind of learning, ang number one equivalent yan po is confidence. Magkakaroon talaga ng confidence yung mga. Okay, yun po, sir.
Nice. Parang this is for me no, kasi po kami yung mga singer no, usually po very important yung tinatawag na impression no, and at the same
Yes.
time yung diction.
Diction, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Tulong ko. Hello Sir Harmon.
Sir Harmon, andyan.
Hello po. Ayan. Ayan, nawawala-wala.
Ayun po.
Yes, pero ang ganda yung topic tonight. Yeah, about diction. Yes. Nawawala-wala eh.
So, if ever po, no?
Sir, pwede pa lang mag-add, Sir Ray, na what will the kids expect or parents would expect na
Yes,
ma-undergo
tama.
these kids, what are the things they will undergo during the period of the schedule of the classes. Okay? So
Mhm.
para alam din nila, it isn't just speaking, but there will always be games and exercises po combined with physical, mental, emotional, and vocal calisthenics. So hindi
Wow.
natin ma-separate yun eh. Okay?
Ganda.
So, ako po, if there will be games where they will be playing with the other kids in the group, nagbi-build yan ng better socialization at saka they would see themselves how they speak with the other kids na tulad nila po.
Yes.
Ganun ang mangyayari. So, it's more of the exposure, hindi lang doon sa physical development, but there is emotional and mental and better socialization.
So
Ayun po, sir.
napakaganda po ng mga mangyayari at yung ating lesson na
Yes, I agree.
concentration, no?
Yes.
Pero so tayo po ay merong 10 sessions, no? Necessary. So paano po ba yung halimbawa po yung mga kakapita or kailangan po ba sabi po dito magaling siya kumanta, something like that? Kailangan po ba magaling siya kumanta?
Di sir, kasi ano na yun eh, parang package na rin yun. If they want to just be there for the theatrical arts at hindi naman sila kumakanta, it is something that is also very good for the kid. If the kid is not really singing at ang gusto lang niya expressing himself or herself, and this is a very good start wherein pwede nilang i-express ang sarili nila. They can express themselves in their own way, in a theatrical way. Kaya nga po, sir, we are encouraging that magkakaroon kayo na parang theatrical performance activities na we get excerpts from a certain play para malalabas nila yung kanilang dramatics, no? Yung when it comes to dramatics, lalabas nila yung theatrical talents nila doon. So again, ano na naman ang gagamitin doon? Facial expressions, your vocal calisthenics again. But if you kung kumakanta ka pa, edi doble, triple ang effect nito sa iyo, hindi ba? Kasi you're already becoming a good singer through Ray Santos Music Studio, but your expression is much better because nakikerry pa doon yung artistry mo in interpreting the song much better.
Yeah.
Kaya ganun, para tayo shooting two birds with one bullet, parang ganyan.
Wow, talaga pong no? Napakaganda po ng program. Another question po is, ano po yung ating age na pwede natin dito sa program na to? Ano po yung age na maganda para sabihin natin sa magulang na itong student na to ay pwede na dito sa aming program na to? Something like that.
Alam mo, Sir Ray, ako lang na my opinion, kasi may mga na-handle na rin ako noon ng mga bata. It's really good, sana, from 6 and 7 years old. Kasi makakausap mo na talaga sila eh. Most especially if the kid is interested. Lalo na pag ang bata very interested sa performances. E di na-enhance, mas na-develop yung desire niya to express himself or herself. Diba? Kasi magkakaroon na kagad siya ng exposure even only at a very small venue. Pagkatapos nun, hanggang palaki ng palaki yung mga, yung experiences niya. But then, basically, yung confidence na build na, kasi alam niya na meron siyang pinanggalingan, parang formal school about it. Yung ganyan. So, at saka yung number din, sir, huwag sana lalampas ng 10 kids per class.
Yeah.
Opo.
Pero wala naman pong required na, for example, sa isang class is, bawa po, kailangan meron tayong 8, 7, something like that. Hindi naman po siya ganun.
Hindi naman siguro, sir, kasi when we see them together, we will be able to figure out sino yung pwedeng magkakasama. Kasi dun lang natin makikita yung basic talent ng bawat bata. Lalabas talaga yan eh. Nakikita mo yung interest nila at tapos yung enthusiasm on the kind of participation that they will show us. Ayun po.
Yes, nice. Isa pa pong tanong, no, na lagi ko kasi I'm trying to promote this the school is trying to promote this new program. Hindi po ba yung course na yan sinasabi nila na parang nakakapagod ba yan? Yung pong tanong na nakakapagod ba yan? I mean, so 2 hours, so for example, we're going to have our class for 2 hours. So ano ba yan? Medyo nakakapagod ba yan? Or ano ba ang dapat expect namin yan? Kasi di ba ibang bata masyadong matagal tapos napapagod po.
It really depends po doon sa particular activity na prepared for that particular session. Pwede naman nating that is something flexible, sir. That is something flexible. Sometimes, especially, depende rin po, sir, kung the number of students within the class. Everybody should be able to have a particular participation. So, yung 2 hours, hindi yan talaga 2 hours naman eh. But then we will divide the time for each. For example, 3 girls will have this performance ahead. The next 3 girls will do this again. So ang ganda ng time na yon because they will be looking and comparing themselves with another group. So there is a little competition that happens, di ba? And then they will be given time to prepare. Kailangan yung creativity nila lalabas doon. Na-challenge mo sila. That's why yun yung time na maganda rin na mabibigay sa mga sa mga bata if ever
Wow.
they get inside the class.
Yan.
Opo.
Napakaganda ng ating program. So sa mga parents na nakikinig sa atin yan, yan po ang magiging parang program nitong ating bagong course dito sa Race and Studio. And another thing is, may age limit po ba tayo? So for example, kanina sabi niyo po is 7 siya, no? Or 6. Pero yung pinaka
Oo.
mas,
Yes, kasi
or ano po ba yung
limit. I mean,
pinaka-bracket or yung pinaka-matanda na pwede?
oh, sir, hindi naman talaga hindi naman talaga problem unless there will be somebody who will join us na 30 years old na. So, medyo ibang klaseng usapan yon. So, we really have to talk to the person. But then, basically, at saka ideally, sana sir, ganun yung age from 7, 8 and above hanggang mga 12, 15, 16. Yes, they can still be together. Because when there are theatrical presentations, hindi naman lahat ng kasali dun pare-parehong edad, di ba? They know that they will be expecting other roles played by older kids or older people. Some of them will even play na parang sila yung mommy and daddy. Others would be younger, di ba? So, yun, they would know the difference already pagka nandiyan na.
Nice. Opo. Kanina po, necessary na nasabi niyo po yung about confidence. Yung kumbaga,
Yes.
yung bata, mawawala yung pagkamahiyain. Yung po bang, for example po, meron na po kayong batang na-encounter na, for example, talagang may indikato siya na nag-iyain. Halimbawa, meron po kayong instruction na sinabi sa kanya and then parang hindi niya po magawa talaga dahil nahihiya siya. Ano po ba yun? I mean, nangyayari na po ba yun? Or kung nangyayari po ba yun, meron po ba tayong mga remedies for that?
Yes, that is bound to happen. Kasi tinitest din nila yung sarili nila eh. And that shows also na hindi pa talaga nag-grow yung kanilang confidence. Meron tinatawag tayo na readiness. No? There are kids kasi na ang bilis maging ready doon sa ino-offer mo at sa nai-introduce mo. But there are also kids na tahimik lang, they will not react to you the way you expect them to react. Kaya bibigyan mo talaga lang yun ng time. At saka you will have to be very sensitive about how they would want to be treated regarding yung kanilang, sabihin na natin, deficiency muna nila at the moment, di ba? Because hindi talaga pare-pareho mga bata, di ba? Kasi there are those na sila yung mag-volunteer, meron naman yung iba na gustong-gusto mag-volunteer, kaya lang hiyang-hiya pa. So, ayun, we really have to be very sensitive and yung pagmo-monitor natin ng kanilang attitude, dun tayo dapat maayos. That's
Opo, kasi-
now unless we see the kids themselves.
Yeah.
Pero
Kasi,
tama yung sinasabi niyo, sir, we might encounter children who are like that.
Yeah.
Normal talaga yun, yung differences.
Yes. Opo, sir, nawala na naman si Sir Harmon.
Nawala na naman si Arno.
Parang clear niya nung magsalita and then nawala na naman. Anyway, ayun po. So napakaganda po. So, para po sa mga parents na nanonood sa atin or makakapanood sa atin, so our program will, or the first class, or yung ating unang klase ay August 9.
16? Kailan po yung August 16, sir?
So sorry, August 16,
Yes.
1 p.m. Yan. So kung interested kayo
Okay,
dito
1
sa
p.m.
ganitong klaseng course, no? Kaya sabi nga kanina ni
Yes.
Ma'am Desiree, napakadami niyong matututunan, no? Kumbaga, nandiyan na yung singing and then expression, kung paano niyo i-express yung
Okay.
contradiction and everything. Yan. Kumbaga, may term kanina si Ma'am Deng dun eh. Ma'am Desiree, ano ba yung term na one bullet in, ano?
Ano po?
May term kayo kanina
Parang
dun eh.
we're shooting two birds with one bullet.
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
Kasi
parang,
maganda, sir, yung madedevelop sa kanila yung very spontaneous verbal capacity. Yung ang bata kasi lalo na when they are when they are given a role to play, no? A role. It's very good when they have that kind of responsibility. Yung utak nila aandar agad, and then also their yung physical energy nila ma-awaken. Bibilis yung utak, bibilis yung nila yung utak nila to react on a certain situation. Kaya yung spontaneous verbal expression nila, lalabas yan. Mababawasan talaga yung hiya, and confidence will be developed more. Lalo na pag parati silang pinasasalita, lalo parati silang Opo.
Kasi go ahead lang.
Sige sir, may tanong pa kayo sir. Sige.
How about this one? Sabi nila, ano po ba yan? Marami po bang i-memorize na ng mga lines or mag-a-act pa kami dyan or paano po ba yung ano niya? Kasi ang mga bata minsan, Ma'am Desiree, no, parang ayaw nila masyadong mag-memorize. What are your thoughts about that?
No, that's not really a problem. Hindi problema yun. Kasi once that they are given an assignment, such a role, alam nila that on stage, they are expected to act this way. So, in other words, yung nabibuild up yung kanilang responsibility, at saka mismo sila, bibilib sila sa sarili nila kapag nagawa nila yon. It's a different personality from their own personality. But then, once they are able to express it, once they are able to interpret it the way the director said it to be interpreted, then i-congratulate sila, ang galing mo, parang tunay kang lawyer, di ba? Yung mga ganon. So, in other words, na talaga na mabibuild up yung kanilang yung capacity nila for expressing themselves in a different personality, di ba?
Wow.
It's a challenge.
Yeah. A challenge. Okay. Yan. So, yes, so napakaganda ng sagot ng ating Ma'am Desiree. But anyway, Ma'am, we are very happy na kayo po mismo talagang you're very generous with your time para ipaliwanag sa amin itong napakagandang course na to, no? And I'm very much sure na marami pong mga children or mga students na matututo or kumbaga po, maiiba naman yung kanilang ginagawa sa kanilang buhay, no? Kasi po, usually po, po sa atin, kakanta ka, tutugtog ka, ganyan eh, no? Pero this one is really
Talaga naman sir, ganun lang. Yes. Dati kasi sir, ganun talaga lang sa music studio. Talagang pag halimbawa, you're expected to play the piano, piano lang talaga. So you go on stage and then you play the piano and then bow, then you leave the stage, di ba? But times are already really changing. Marami na talagang dapat na medyo i-enhance din. So lalo na po ngayon. And then the singing thing, Hindi lang, ang ganda talaga pag naririnig mong kumakanta yung bata sa stage, lalo na umayos yung boses niya. And all. Pero if we put and add a little touch of drama regarding what they're doing in connection with music, pwede naman yun eh. And then, the, the children become more developed, not only on the level of singing, not only on the level of playing the piano or playing the instruments, but then, mas may nagigising tayong talent sa kanila na we might not have expected before, tapos bigla ding lalabas just because we have opened something like this kind of an activity or possible activity na mai inject natin sa Ray Santos Music Studio. Diba, sir?
Very nice, very nice. Anyway, okay, last question na po, Ma'am Desiree. How about this one? So,
Yes,
we're expected this. No? So, 10 sessions, we have this 10 session, and then in the 10th, we have the recital or the culminating activity, something like
yeah.
that.
We
So,
really should have a recital, sir. Oo.
yeah. So,
At
ano naman po
dapat,
yung...
kasi
Go ahead.
ayan ang maganda, sir. Kasi doon mapuprove how much they have learned also from the 10 sessions that they have gone through. So, all of them will really have to play a part of during the recital thing para malaman kung ano talaga din yung natutunan nila. And the parents should be there to see how their kids have performed at saka yung development ng kanilang speech and body movements, expressions, non-verbal movements, verbal expressions, lahat lalabas yan. Hindi lang dahil sa nagsalita sila, makikita din yung galaw nila. How they would set themselves poised on stage. Tapos, iba yung confidence, iba yung poise nila, and how they handle themselves on stage. Opo.
Wow.
Makikita yun.
So yun yung aasahan natin dun sa course,
Opo.
dun sa yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
After the 10 sessions, medyo malalaman na natin kung ano talaga yung gagawin natin. So, even by the 9th, mabibigyan na sila ng special assignments regarding the outcome of the program. Diba,
So
sir?
nice.
Ganon.
So sa mga again para sa mga parents na interesado dito sa napakaganda natin na course na speech power, no? So the first day of our class will be on August 16. Saturday po yan, 1 to 3 p.m. So every Saturday, so bali parang 10 Saturdays yan. So it's very important na, of course, dapat present tayo lagi. I mean, walang absent dapat. No? So iwasan natin ang
Opo.
absent. Okay.
Opo.
So,
Para tuloy-tuloy yung para tuloy-tuloy.
yeah, so we're inviting you, no? So, Ma'am Desiree, last words na lang po para sa mga nakikinig natin at sa mga makakapanood nito ating video.
Okay. So, to dear parents, this is a very good invitation for you and for your kids. If you want them to be developed more in line with verbal expressions in English and even in Tagalog, this will be a very good avenue for them to improve themselves, not only as to become good speakers, but good interpret. They could give a more beautiful interpretation in their singing. Also, good interpretation with the roles that they will be given in case it will be something like in the theatrical area. And one thing is sure, if your kid gets to have of this kind of an activity and exposure, talagang it is going to be something that will build confidence in them, and also like ano eh, they will be directed towards something that is better. Mas maganda yung line of thinking nila would be more on music or in the performing arts. So I hope that you grab the opportunity that we will have this at the Santos Music Studio.
Wow, wow.
Yes
Very
po.
well said. Napakaganda po, napakaganda. So before we end, maraming salamat po sa inyo, Ma'am Desiree. Napakaganda po lahat ng mga insights and ideas. And thank you for being so generous with your time, no? Kasi I know, marami rin po kayong ginagawa. So thank you very much sa inyong pag-focus namin. Yan.
Yeah, Sir Ray, kasi I am actually connected with Colegio San Agustin this year, no. So I am with the senior high school department, and I'm handling also English, the 21st
Wow.
Philippine literature ang hinahandle ko rin. So the thing that we're doing there, sir, is siyempre, junior high, ay ano na sila, senior high, so they're 16 and above years old na rin, almost like in college. We go from poetry and dramatics also. Kaya maganda yung time also for your music studio to have this speech power and theatrical arts. So
Wow, wow, wow.
parang may continuity.
And anyway, Ma'am Desiree, thank you very much. And we'll see you on August, right? August 16. Yeah. So,
August 16, yeah.
again, we're inviting all of you. So, if you're interested, PM lang po tayo dito sa page ng Ray Santos Music Studio. Yan. Okay.
Yes
So,
po.
thank you very much sa lahat. And
Okay.
natin nag-present din, Ma'am Desiree. Thank you very much. And we'll see you again sa next episode ng ating Ray Santos Music Studio Facebook Live. Thank you and bye-bye. God bless.
Bye-bye. God bless.